It is also that appeal made by Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. He's written a letter, and this is his fourth letter to the DMK cadre amid the ongoing controversy on the charges that the DMK has levelled with regards to Hindi imposition. Now, it's M.K. Stalin who's accusing the centre of attempting to intrude with Hindi first and then Sanskritize Tamil Nadu. He then goes on to assert that the DMK has always fought to protect Tamil identity and is going on to slam BJP leaders for their arguments in favour of learning Hindi. The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu also reiterates that Tamil Nadu will stand firm on the two-language policy and will resist any attempts to suppress Tamil. We'll go back to the live pictures coming in, and we'll also tell our viewers about this letter by M.K. Stalin to the DMK cadre. So on one hand, you have the top leadership of the DMK constantly emphasizing that they will, come what may, not allow NEP 2020 and will continue their protest till it's withdrawn. And then they go on to say that the attempts by the centre is that of, to intrude with Hindi and then Sanskritize Tamil Nadu. Dharani, as you get us the live pictures of the protest, also tell us about this letter and more details, because it's the BJP which counters by saying this is an attempt to fearmonger over language.
Well, in the last 4 days, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has written 4 different letters to the DMK cadre. So today's letter is the 4th letter, in which he reiterates that the evil plan of the BJP is to let Hindi intrude Tamil Nadu first and then to Sanskritize Tamil Nadu. That is the original and real intent of the BJP, and we shouldn't let this intent win, is what he says. And he also goes on to tell that the BJP calls the DMK as anti-nationals because we are protesting Hindi imposition. We are being called as anti-nationals. We are not the real anti-nationals. In fact, it is the BJP that is trying to destroy the diversity of this country. They are the original anti-nationals, is what he says. And he also goes on to tell that leaders like Nehru, they built an India that was proud in its in the unity in its diversity. But the current rulers of the centre, that is the BJP government, they want to impose a third language against the will of non-Hindi speaking states, and they want to destroy the diversity of this country. They want to destroy the linguistic richness of this country. So leaders like Nehru built an India that was proud in its diversity, but the current rulers, that is the Union BJP government, is trying to destroy this diversity. They're trying to make India into a country that speaks one language, and that language is Hindi, is what he says. And he also goes on to say that Tamil Nadu will stand firm on the path laid out by DMK's leader Annadurai, former Chief Minister Annadurai, by following the two-language policy. Ethnic enemies are saying they will impose Hindi because times have changed. How much ever times change, we will never allow Hindi. And
Dharani, because the DMK continues with its protest, with the Chief Minister going ahead and vowing a larger fight when it comes to the language wars against the centre. And now